1. Which organelle controls replication? The mitochondrion nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondrial DNA, D. Golgi apparatus.
Correct answer, C. Sending instructions for cell life cycle. Explanation: the nucleus directs cell growth, replication, and death. 2. Increased mitochondrial density is typically seen in which condition? A. Inflammation, B. Chronic exercise training, C. Fasting, D. Infection. Correct answer, B. Chronic exercise training. Explanation: skeletal muscles increase mitochondrial count in response to increased energy demands from exercise. 3. Actin filaments are mostly found in which of the cytoplasm? A. Endoplasm, B. Ectoplasm, C. Nucleoplasm, D. Peroxisomes. Correct answer, B. Ectoplasm. Explanation: actin microfilaments support the cell membrane dot by forming an elastic layer in the ectoplasm. 4. What type of cytoskeletal filament forms the basis for muscle contraction? A. Keratin, B. Microtubules, C. Actin and myosin, D. Desmin. Correct answer, C. Actin and myosin. Explanation: these filaments interact to create muscle contraction machinery.
5. Immediate filaments are characterized by which function? DNA replication, B. Mechanical support, C. Protein synthesis, D. Energy production.
Correct answer, B. Mechanical support. Explanation: they provide stability and support to cellular structures. 6. Which intermediate filament is found in neurons? A. Desmin, B. Neurofilaments, C. Keratin, D. Actin. Correct answer, B. Neurofilaments. Explanation: neurofilaments support the structure of neurons. 7. Which protein polymerizes to form microtubules? A. Myosin, B. Actin, C. Tubulin, D. Keratin. Correct answer, C. Tubulin.
Explanation: tubulin polymerizes to form microtubules that provide intracellular scaffolding. 8. Which structure is composed of microtubules and helps with movement of cilia? A lysosome, B. Nucleus, C. cytosol, D. Ciliary skeleton.
Correct answer, D. Ciliary skeleton. Explanation: cilia have a microtubule core that facilitates movement. 9. What is one major role of microtubules in cells? A. Energy production, B. DNA synthesis, C. Organelle transport, D. Lipid digestion. Correct answer, C. Organelle transport. Explanation: microtubules serve as tracks for moving organelles and vesicles. 10. What is the function of the nucleus in the cell? A. Protein synthesis, B. Controlling energy production, C. Sending instructions for cell life cycle, D. Waste removal. Correct answer, C. Sending instructions for cell life cycle. Explanation: the nucleus directs cell growth, replication, and death. 11. What do genes primarily determine in the cell? A. Cell membrane function, B. Protein characteristics, C. Golgi apparatus activity. D. Cytoskeletal movement. Correct answer, B. Protein characteristics. Explanation. Genes encode proteins that determine structure and function. 12. What process allows a single cell to divide and form two daughter cells? A. Meiosis, B. Mitosis, C. Translation, D. Replication. Correct answer, B. Mitosis. Explanation. Mitosis ensures identical DNA is passed to daughter cells. 13. What is the role of the gene in cell reproduction? A. Activates the lysosome. B. Forms actin filaments. C. Duplicates itself and guides mitosis. D. Builds cell membrane. Correct answer, C. Duplicates itself and guides mitosis. Explanation. Genes replicate and control mitotic division. 14. During which cell cycle phase is chromatin visible but not organized into chromosomes? A. Metaphase, B. Interphase, C. Anaphase, D. Telophase. Correct answer, B. Interphase. Explanation. Chromatin is spread out and active during interphase. 15. What structure organizes into chromosomes during mitosis? A. Golgi body, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Chromatin, D. Ribosomes. Correct answer, C. Chromatin. Explanation. Chromatin condenses into chromosomes in mitosis. 16. What is the nuclear envelope composed of? A. Single lipid bilayer, B. Two separate bilayer membranes, C. Single protein sheet, D. Ribosomal proteins. Correct answer, B. Two separate bilayer membranes. Explanation. The nucleus is enclosed by a double membrane. 17. The outer membrane of the nucleus is continuous with which organelle? A. Mitochondria, B. Golgi apparatus, C. Endoplasmic reticulum, D. Lysosome. Correct answer, C. Endoplasmic reticulum. Explanation. The nuclear envelope connects to the rough A. 18. What structure allows passage of molecules dot through the nuclear membrane? A. Ribosome channels. B. Nuclear pores. C. Membrane pumps. D. Protein tunnels. Correct answer, B. Nuclear pores. Explanation. Nuclear pores regulate molecular traffic in and out of the nucleus. 19. What is the approximate diameter of a nuclear pore? A. 1 nanometer, B. 5 nanometers, C. 9 nanometers, D. 20 nanometers. Correct answer, C. minus 9 nanometers. Explanation. Pores are around 9 nanometers in diameter. 20. Which molecules can easily pass through nuclear pores? A. All proteins. B. Molecules up to 44,000 molecular weight. C. Only ions. D. Large DNA fragments. Correct answer, B. Molecules up to 44,000 molecular weight. Explanation. Smaller molecules pass through with ease. 21. What is the function of the nucleus? A. DNA replication. B. Ribosome formation. C. ATP production. D. Transport of proteins.
Correct answer. B. Ribosome formation. Explanation. The nucleolus assembles ribosomal RNA and subunits. 22. Which materials accumulate in the nucleolus? A. Lipids and DNA. B. RNA and ribosomal proteins. C. DNA and glycogen. D. Calcium and enzymes. Correct answer. B. RNA and ribosomal proteins. Explanation. Ribosome-related materials build up in the nucleolus. 23. Where does ribosome assembly begin? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Nucleolus. D. Cytoplasmic matrix. Correct answer. C. Nucleolus. Explanation. Ribosomal RNA is first transcribed and assembled in the nucleolus. 23. Where does ribosome assembly begin? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Nucleolus. D. Cytoplasmic matrix. Correct answer. C. Nucleolus. Explanation. Ribosomal RNA is first transcribed and assembled in the nucleolus. 24. Compared to a virus, how much larger is a nucleated cell in diameter? A. 10 times. B. 100 times. C. 1,000 times. D. 10,000 times.
Correct answer. C. Nucleolus. Explanation. Ribosomal RNA is first transcribed and assembled in the nucleolus.
25. What is the essential component of a virus that allows it to reproduce? A. Ribosomes. B. Nucleic acid. C. Lipid membrane. D. Enzymes.
Correct answer. B. Nucleic acid. Explanation. Viral nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, carry genetic info for replication.
Thank you for watching.